Hi, welcome to the Handy Guys, and up next I'm going to show you how to regulate your home water pressure to save money, to prevent leaks, and to prevent those noisy pipes. Welcome! Tonight it's just myself, Handy Guy Paul. Brian is away today, but we're going to run the show anyway, and this is a very simple and short show, and it's about your home water pressure. A lot of newer homes have water pressure that when it comes into the home is very high, sometimes over 120 pounds per square inch. And you want your household water pressure to be between 40 and 60 psi or pounds per square inch. So most homes today have a water pressure regulator where the water enters the house. And I'm going to show you how you can adjust this for your household water pressure to bring it down to between 40 and 60 psi, or perhaps if it's too low, to bring it back up. Let's go over there and take a look at my water pressure regulator. So here we are at my water regulator, and typically these are located right at your main connection to the public water system, or perhaps near your water meter. Well, my water meter is right here, so in this case it's right where it comes in the house. So my water pressure comes in at over 100 pounds per square inch. This water reduction valve brings the pressure down or up. Well, in my case, it brings it down and then it goes on into the house. So it's very simple. What you can do is get a water pressure meter or a gauge such as this, plug it into a sink if you have a utility sink that this will screw into, or perhaps into your hose bib outside, something around street level where this comes in the house, and get your water pressure. So if you find that it's very high, maybe at 100, you're going to want to bring that water pressure down, and it's very simple. You go to your water pressure regulator here, and in this case it has a locking nut, which I'm going to loosen. That just allows me to either increase or decrease the pressure with this screw. So I'm going to loosen the locking nut, first thing. Now I can change the water pressure. So if I want to decrease the water pressure on my system, I actually turn this clockwise to the right. And I'm going to do it about quarter turn intervals and then go check and see if my water gauge has now decreased in pressure. And I can get a sense of how much pressure I'm decreasing, and maybe I can go another quarter turn. Contrarily, if my pressure is too low, I can bring it up, making the same effort, turning it now counterclockwise. That'll increase the pressure for my system. You need to be careful. You don't want to bring this pressure way up because you want to water your lawn or something like that, because you're then in danger of causing a burst pipe or a connection really under a sink or on a washing machine. So be careful with this, but that's how you change the water pressure in your house. So there you have it. It's very simple. You only need 3 tools, a screwdriver, a wrench, and a pressure gauge, and you can take care of handling the water pressure in your house yourself. Thanks for watching.